viewers, we are the pupils of Basic 5 and we are here to perform an elephant toothpaste experiment. Sit tight and watch.
Materials needed in elephant toothpaste: hydrogen peroxide, volumetric flask, beaker, stirrer, spatula, liquid soap, food coloring, water, potassium permanganate. Thanks.
We are going to be adding the hydrogen peroxide into the beaker. Now measuring 40 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide into the beaker. We are going to add the hydrogen peroxide into the volumetric flask. We are going to add 20 milliliters of liquid soap into the beaker. We are going to add the liquid soap into the volumetric flask. We are going to add the food coloring at the tip of the volumetric flask. Adding 3 scoops of potassium permanganate into the beaker. Mixing the potassium permanganate with water. Stirring it with the stirrer to dissolve it. Adding the potassium permanganate into the volumetric flask. And this is our elephant toothpaste. Thank you.
One importance of elephant toothpaste. 1. It acts as a catalyst, speeds up a reaction. The catalyst in this case is potassium permanganate.
2. It illustrates exothermic reaction. The decomposition of hydrogen peroxide releases heat and oxygen gas.
3. It is a fun and visual demonstration of chemical reaction.
4. It creates curiosity with spark interest in chemistry and STEM topics. Thanks.
Thanks for watching.